y'all, welcome back to another video. This intro is gonna be really fast because I don't have a lot of storage on my phone. It keeps telling me to like delete stuff, so I've been deleting like everything, apps and everything, and it still says it's full, but I don't know. But yeah, this is gonna be a super quick and chill, just stay at a day in the life of a stay-at-home working mom. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm just gonna be showing you guys a few things I do around the house, and just showing you little knickknacks. What is it? Knickknacks. Little knickknacks I do around the house, and I'm gonna go out and go get some dessert, and just a pretty chill day. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Alright y'all, so the first thing I like to do in the morning is open up my windows and my bathroom because so much sunlight gets in, and I just love the sunlight in the morning all throughout the day. So if I don't have to cut on any lights in the house, I won't. I'll just open up every single window we have and just let the natural sunlight come in. And next I'm going to brush my chippers and wash my face and do all that good stuff. This is what we use right now, the Colgate one. I actually like using the Sensodyne, but we were all out, so I just got the Colgate white. If y'all are Target mamas like me, I love this Mondo Llama. It comes with, this is like a tie-dye kit, so it comes with everything you need except for the shirts. But you can make a lot of shirts because it comes with 8 colors, and all you need is the shirt, and it comes with everything else you need. You can probably make like 8 to 10 shirts, maybe more. But I just made one for my son because he didn't want to do it, so I just did it myself. And this is this one I haven't used it, the green one, but the red one I use. All you do is fill it up with water. So I only filled up I think 4 of them, and then the other 4 we haven't used yet. And it's really good. I think it's like $10, $8 or something. So I really like the Mondo Llama from Target because it's really good crafts and things to do for the kids. And I wanted to show you guys my balloon arch I did. Let me know if you guys like it. It was my very first time doing the balloon arch, and I think it turned out really good. Let me know what y'all think. And this is how the tie-dye shirt turned out. I think it was really good. He already had a white shirt, so I just used the white shirt he had in his room, but I love how that turned out. Next, I just head downstairs and I just take all the dishes off the dishwasher. And I really like these suction cups for my daughter because she likes to throw stuff on the floor and like throw her bowls and stuff. And it comes in 3 different sizes, so I love that. This right here is all of the kids area, so all of their plates and their cups and stuff is in there, and all their silverware is in this little section of where our silverware is at. I really love this coffee maker. Y'all have probably heard me talk about it before in another video. I got it for a really good deal at Target. So I really love that, especially because I don't drink that much coffee. I only drink a little bit, and so that coffee maker is perfect for that. Next, I'm just finished putting up all of the dishes in the dishwasher, and then I have to put the dishes that's in the sink in the dishwasher. Like, it never ends. Laundry and dishes never ends. I can literally do it all day, like on repeat. And these are the glass containers I got from Sam's Club. I really like those. And those nails I have on are some glue-ons. I think I got them from Target. I really like them. They be staying on for like 2 weeks, y'all. They're so good. And this is the dishes I was telling y'all about. This is real life, so I'm not gonna be like, oh, welcome, everything's all perfect, my house is just clean all the time. No. So these are the dishes I was telling you about that's revolving. So now I have to put everything in there, but it was time for me to go get some lunch because I'm like, I am not about to cook. So I headed to Chick-fil-A, and if y'all don't know about this peach milkshake, 10 out of 10, okay? Period. Love it so much. And then later on in the day, I went and got some ice cream from Andy's. I think that's like a Midwest thing, but yeah, I went and got like a, what do you call it? Like a strawberry sundae. or Banana Split, I think. And then I came back home and started watching Sisters, which is it's not a new show, but it's new to me. And I really like it. It's a really good show, made by Tyler Perry. And I tried this Dailies Jamaican Smile for the first time. It was really good. And I just, chill in the bed watching that for a little bit. And then later on in the night, I ran me some bath water. This is my favorite. This milk bath with shea butter with jasmine is my all-time favorite bubble bath. And I also love the Dr. Teal's foaming bath for nighttime because it has melatonin and essential oils in there. And then in this marble type container that I'm going to show y'all in a little bit, it has the Epsom salt in there by Dr. Teal's also. And I really love it. So I use all three of these all the time. This is like my holy grail for sure. So I just sprinkle a lot of that in my bath water. And yeah, this is everything I did today. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and comment anything that you guys want to know, or anything you want me to know about you, or anything you think will help me in my day in the life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in another one.